You can combine multiple media files into one single file directly inside of Adobe Media Encoder. And this is how you do it. If you want to stitch multiple files together, you can either go to File and then choose Add Source. And then Add Source, you're going to go to the place where your files are located. And then select all of them or select the ones you want to add. And then here at the bottom, make sure to tick the Stitch Clips Together option and then choose Open. As you can see, now we have one stitch clip created by Media Encoder. The other option you have is selecting all the files you want to have stitched together and just dragging them into Media Encoder. And then if you go to the left, you have the separate sources option. But if you go to the right, you can drop them to stitch the clips together. Now, Media Encoder has made 2 stitch clips of all the clips I added. They are loaded into the queue, and to view the individual clips, you can click here on Show for Sources. And now you see all the clips that are added into this stitch clip. By default, they are added or sorted in an alphabetical order, but you can rearrange them to your preference by just selecting them and dragging them to where you want to have them. And the name of the stitch clip here, this one, is automatically set to the first clip in the series, and you can change it by just clicking it and then typing in the new name, like this. And then the rest of it is the same. You can choose how you want to render it, and you can choose where you want to render it to. And then when you're ready, I'm first going to delete this second one because I don't need both of them. When you're ready, you can just press the play button here to have it rendered. And then when the render has been finished, as you can see, I have my 4 separate files here, the ones I added to be a stitched clip. And then when you have stitched them and rendered them, this is your output. This is what you get. So this is the first clip. And this is the second one. And you can see how I just put them together and made one long clip of 4 clips. There isn't really there's no effect in the transition from first clip to the second clip to the third clip to the fourth clip. But this is how Media Encoder makes stitch clips for you inside of Media Encoder itself. And that's how you do it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.